Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial. It's going to be a full face, so everything. I'm going to be using pinks and purples, so it's going to be kind of like really bright, really girly, really different. But anyways, if that is something you're interested in, make sure to keep watching this video. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. Let's just get on with this video. CoverGirl concealer, and just putting this all over the lid. Now, I have a question for all of you guys that I want you to answer in the comments. Do you guys like when it's no voice, or do you like it when I'm like explaining what I'm doing? I might do a poll of that on Instagram. Also, I've been really active on Instagram lately, so make sure to go check that out. It's linked down below. But yeah, I think this makeup look is just going to be a chit chat because I haven't really done like a chit chat video. I haven't talked to you guys in a while. Lots to update on. I got a new job. I'm finishing my last year of school. We already know this, but it is still pretty relevant. I'm gonna move you guys down because you're like cutting you off. Yeah, I just haven't really talked. So after I do that, I'm just gonna set it with Tempera from the Modern Renaissance palette. This eyeshadow has a lot of fallout, but I think that's also because I'm like packing it on and I'm not tapping off the excess, because I just noticed like a whole bunch of it just fell on my face. So yeah, I would think by now you guys saw that my new monthly kind of project pan thingy, and like I started a little bit early for February because February is missing a couple days, and I already hit pan on one of the colors, and that made me so happy. Like, I'm gonna get so much use out of this palette and like actually use the colors. Like, there's some really nice dips in a lot of these now, and like I'm so excited to finish it. Or not finish it, just use up some eyeshadows like that. Isn't that like the best feeling? I'm gonna take Beyond Fresco, which is this one right here, and I'm just going to put this all in the crease. This is going to kind of act as like my transition shade because it's like a purpley pink and it's very like light, so we're just going to do that. So yeah, going back to the Instagram thing, if you guys don't follow me, you really should, because I've been posting a lot and I plan to post a lot more because I really want to make my Instagram kind of become big. So I've been posting more like looks. I haven't been filming as many looks, but I've been doing looks, just taking pictures and then posting those. Just trying to like get myself out there, get my like looks out there. And it's just so much easier for my schedule, to be honest. Like, you have no idea. Okay, so now that that is just blended out, I said I was going to do pink on the outside, so I'm going to use the same brush and I'm going to go in with Love Letter, which is more of the pinky one. So this one here, more pinky. When I mean more pinky, I mean more pinky than Venetian Red, or yeah, Venetian Red, whatever. Because this one's more of a reddy pink and this one's more of like a Barbie pink. So we're going to use that one, and we're going to work this into the crease as well. So the thing with this look is I'm not going to be like cutting half of it. I'm going to actually cut the whole lid. So this is really weird. So I'm going to do the outer V, but not like bring it in. So it's going to be so different. Because usually, if you've noticed all my looks, I do like my crease, the outer V, and like a third of it, and then the rest I cut. But I'm not going to do that. It's going to be very different. Modern Renaissance is probably still my favorite palette. Who else is excited for the new Anastasia palette? I saw it and I'm like, oh my god, that is so me. So now I'm just waiting for that to come out. And I'm definitely getting it. My eyes hurt so bad because I like put makeup on and then took it off. And then put makeup on and then took it off. And now we're here putting more makeup on. Okay, so now I'm going to take this brush here and I'm going to go in with Venetian Red. And I'm going to kind of focus the outer V a little more. And then whatever's left, I'm just going to blend out in the crease. Okay, looking good. So we are done with that palette, and so the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just take concealer, put it all over my lid, and that's just going to act as the base so the Super Shock shadow sticks on it. So let's do this. I don't want to cut you guys off. Like, I'm really bad for cutting you guys off. Like, I really do apologize. I just suck at this. So this is ColourPop Super Shock Shadow in Wild Thoughts, and you can see it is a really metallic shimmer purple. I'm going to zoom you guys in when I apply this, just so you guys get like a really close up of it and can like see. So I haven't used this yet, so we're going to just dive in. So I was told if you use your finger or like a really dense brush, and this one is pretty dense, so let's see what happens. Bright. Holy cow. So you can see what the heck I'm doing. Okay, no, I need to find something different. Let's see what I was doing though. I need different colors. I really need new eyeshadows. I really need to order more ColourPop or something because, okay, this might work a little better. Okay, so I'm just going to leave that for a second. I'm going to go on with the rest of my face, looking to the under eyes and kind of like the under eyes match. But this look has gone really interesting. This is really different and really like not my style, but I kind of like it. But I'm going to zoom out so we can do the rest of my face. Okay, so now that we are done with that, I'm just going to take a look and see. I think I'm going to put to take a smudging brush and I'm going to actually put Love Letter on the bottom lash line. And then you can see I'm kind of smoking it out with that gold, kind of making like a double wing effect. So that, and then last I'm just going to do a little bit of mascara. And that is the finished look. I will zoom in. It turned out really weird, but I kind of like it. So you can see I kind of like did the gold cut crease, but like liner wise. And it's definitely really, really different. Here, I will shine a light on so you can see a little bit better. It's definitely really pretty. Okay, so anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed this look. If you want to see more pictures of this look, make sure to go check out my Instagram. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.